Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can shape your videos with rounded edges by using masking in CapCut. So in here, I have import a video into my CapCut and I want the video to have rounded edges. So if you want to, you can also do this, what I did. So just click on the video and find masking. Click on mask, select the rectangle, and here adjust the size like this. And to have that rounded edges, just use this option here at the edge of the video on the left like this and adjust it. Sorry. Okay, just drag it like this and click on a check icon. And you can also just change the background. So here I'm going to just use the blur. Click on the check icon and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.